supposed to be like this. See, all screws is flat and flat on the sides. Really nice. Only thing, to get to this point, what's happening process is Allen wrench size, it's a metric size, 1.5 millimeter. It's super tiny, micro small, I would say, for any like work, I would say. And then a tip of this Allen wrench, after like 6 screws, I have 24 in total, it's getting fade away. It's really bad, you can see. And I cannot tighten any of my screws. So what I have to do, I have to find a way how I'm supposed to install all these screws inside. So I apply just simply a grinder. I prefer a battery shaped one. It's very portable. That's what I love it. And then I have to use a shield. Safety is first. Okay, it's sort of a life hack to increase life of your Allen wrench. So let's finish it all what I just started about 15-20 minutes ago. A couple screws I cannot tie, so after I resurface my Allen wrench, let's complete it. See, it's already start fade off. Even after 1 or 2 problematic screws. So let's do it again. Probably last one. I would prefer at least 3 millimeters hex wrenches, but for some reason manufacturer create only 1.5 in this case. Even one screw, it's already fade off tip. So all of this screws is flat, which I would like to have flat. Probably last one, this one. And I would like to complete this task. So you see how much left. So let's resharpen, resurface this tip again. Okay. Necessary, I have to QC all product, just in case, to save my time in the future, and to make sure everything is square and same shape. So I completed four rims and tires and 24 screws. What's left from my Allen wrench? Is just, I will introduce you, this tiny teeny tip. How you can see, I'm not sure, it's a really small, but luckily I finished it, and I don't have to go to a Lowe's or anything like that to purchase again this Allen wrench. Just finish it everything right away, because time is 10:15. It's a PM, not morning time, it's a evening time. So spent like maybe 10 minutes to resurface this stuff, instead of just drive at least half an hour, 40 minutes, and then spent like 20 minutes in the store, like waste 1 hour of my time. So it's pretty good life hack, I would say, like how you can see. So the reason why I show you all these rims and tires is how I get to this point. I really love and enjoy drift cars, and my first drift car was like that. I would say sort of true drift car. It's a 110 scale. You see how small rims on it. Compare this one, because it's 1/8 scale. And then it's this I created, spent several hours to create this car, and it's drifts before, but really with low quality drift. I change multiple tires with different traction, and I find one set of tires which provide a drift mode on this chassis. But chassis is really undurable. It's kind of breaks always, differentials won't hold any power, and then even like a shaft, like you can see, it's kind of tilted to side, and always is shaking. You have to spend a lot of time, a lot of money to make it right. So total amount I spend on it is like $600 on it to get a drift, but it's really small, and